Fix HP NV5660 not printing issue. 3 quick solutions. Method 1. Check connectivity. Step 1. Open the HP Smart app on your device. Step 2. If you don't have it, visit 123.hp.com or the App Store to download it. Step 3. Sign into your HP account or create a new account. Step 4. Select your printer, scroll down and select Advanced Settings. Step 5. If a website security screen displays, click Continue to open the printer homepage. Step 6. If the sign-in window appears, type in admin for the username and the printer PIN for the password, then click Sign in. Step 7. The printer embedded web server page will open. Go to the Information tab and click Print to print a test page. Method 2. Perform root level uninstallation of printer software. Step 1. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings. Step 2. Click Bluetooth and Devices, then select Printers and Scanners. Step 3. Select your printer, click Remove, then click Yes to proceed. Step 4. Disconnect the printer from the computer and wireless network. Step 5. Click on the search icon in the taskbar, search Add or Remove Programs and open it. Step 6. Scroll down and locate the software with your printer name. Click on the menu icon next to the software and select Uninstall. Step 7. Click Uninstall again if you're prompted for confirmation. Step 8. Click Yes to allow the app to make changes and wait for it to finish uninstalling. Step 9. Once done, restart the computer. Step 10. Visit the official HP website, then download and install the printer driver for your printer. Method 3. Run Print and Scan Doctor. Step 1. Open HP Print and Scan Doctor. If you don't have it, download it from the official website. Step 2. Click on the downloaded file, then click Yes to allow the app to make changes. Step 3. Click Start and it'll start searching for products. Step 4. Select your product from the list, then click Next. Step 5. Select Fix Printing, then follow the on-screen prompts to troubleshoot the issue. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.